the big bad wolf. Oh! Today we are going to learn English using the three little piggies story. Here are three little piggies. Oink, oink, oink. Piggies. Oink, oink, oink. 1, 2, 3. 3 little piggies. Oink, oink, oink. They were happy. They were happy. They left their home. They left their home. They left their home. The three little piggies. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. They left home. The first little piggy. The first little piggy. Oink, oink, oink. Decided to make a house. A house. A house out of straw. He decided to build a house out of straw. So the first little piggy, oink, 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 piggy, got to work building his house made of straw. His house made of straw. Made of straw. The piggy, oink, oink, the piggy, oink, oink, was happy. He was happy. He had built his house. He had built his house. But there was a problem. His house was made of straw. Of straw. Of straw. So it was weak. It was weak. And along came a big bad wolf. Woof, woof, wolf, rah. Ow! A wolf. A wolf. And he looked at the little piggy, oink, oink's house, and he said, I am going to blow your house down. I am going to your house down. So he puffed up his cheeks. And the wolf blew the house down. He blew the house down. The little piggy was very sad and scared. He was very sad and scared. He ran away. He ran away. He ran away from the wolf. Now, the second little piggy, oink, oink, the second little piggy decided to build his house. To build his house. And he decided to build, bum, 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 to build his house out of wood or sticks, out of wood, wood, out of wood. And the little piggy, the second little piggy, oink oink, got to work building his house. And he managed to build his house made of wood. Made of wood. Wood. Not wood. Wood. Don't know how to draw wood. Wood. He built his house out of wood. Wood. And he was very happy. The little piggy was very happy as he now had his house. He now had his house made of wood. But there was a problem. The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf. Rah. The big bad wolf. He came along to the little piggy's oink oink house, and he said, I will blow your house down. And the wolf, blew. He blew on the house because the house was made of wood and it wasn't very strong still. It was stronger than the straw house, but it was still a weak house. So the little piggy's house blew away. It blew away because of the big bad wolf. He blew it down. The little piggy was very sad. He was very sad. So he ran away because he was sad and scared of the wolf. He ran away with his little brother who made the straw house. They both ran away. Now, the third little piggy, oink, oink, oink. The third little piggy thought, I'm going to build my house. I'm going to build my house out of bricks, out of hard bricks, strong bricks. And he got to work. So he started to build his house, his house out of bricks. Out of bricks. He used his trowel and his concrete. His trowel and his concrete to build his house. And he built a big, strong house. A big, strong house made of bricks. Made of bricks. So, the wolf came along and said, I'm going to blow your house down, little piggy. I'm going to blow your house down, little piggy. Oink, oink. The big, bad wolf. Oh, oh, oh. But the big, bad wolf could not blow the house down. He could not blow the house down because it was too strong. And eventually, the big bad wolf, the wolf was out of breath. He was out of breath. He couldn't do it no matter how hard he blew at the house. The house stayed strong because it was made from bricks. And the 3 little piggies all moved in to the 3rd piggy's house. The 3rd piggy's house, where they were safe in the strong house, and they were very, very happy. They were very, very happy. And the wolf, he walked away because he was defeated. The moral of this story: it is better to build something slowly and strongly than it is to build something fast and rush. Steady and strong things last, and they are strong. Rushed things get blown away by the wolf. Oh! So, build a strong everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't be the first or second wolf. Piggy. Oink, oink, piggy. Mwah, mwah. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, Wolfie. Bye. Woo!